ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदुः विदुः।
अय्युन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञामाङाण्डनम् जभै गढदश् जबगडदश् खप चठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
यशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऊपु उपत्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
उपपत्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञामाङाण्डनानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
राजमणिः विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहतानिशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
संहितैकपदे नित्या
संहितैकपदे नित्या
नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः
धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
सा विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते
विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते
Okay. Now we will do the Sandhi Abhyasa of the Gita shlokas. Okay, Jyotiji, you can start from here. We have done the first two shlokas.
Yes, Guruji.
Now, the third shloka.
Okay.
Guruji, just one doubt. Can I
Yes.
ask now? Or?
Yeah, please ask.
Yeah. If there is, can there be a situation where we'll have Pratipadikam plus Padam? Like, last time you said Rama plus Ishvara. So can we have like Rama plus Ishvara?
No, you cannot have. Pratipadikam cannot be there with the Padam. When Padam is there, then it has to be another Padam. Pratipadikam, another Pratipadikam.
Okay. Okay, Guruji.
Right?
And yeah,
Yes.
got it. And this Pandava Nikam, last time you said it's a samasa. So if you don't mind, can you please explain one more time?
Pandava Nikam. Pandava plus Anikam. Pandava Nikam. Pandava is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Pandava. Then Anikam. You see the word file I'm typing?
Yeah.
So Pandava plus Anika. If it is, it should be Anika, not Anikam. Pandava plus Anika. A plus A becomes Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Pandava Nika. Okay. Then that is a Pratipadikam. Pandava Nika. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pandava Nika Shabdaha. Anika is the word which this is a compound word. the word ends with the word Anika. Anika is a Napumsakalinga, therefore the whole word is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Pandava Nika. That you can decline like Pala Shabda. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pala Shabdaha. Like Palam Pale Palani. Similarly, this can be declined. Pandava Nikam, Pandava Nike, Pandava Nikani. That Pandava Nikam is there in the shloka. So Pandava plus Anika, Pandava Nika. So if you write in write the words using the vibhakti, that is what we call the Vigraha Vakya. That becomes Pandava Nika, Pandavasya or Pandavanam. Pandavanam Anikam, Pandava Nikam. Pandavanam Nikam, Pandava Nikam. So Pandavanam is a padam, Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachana. Anikam is also a padam, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam of Anika Shabda. Pandavanam Shashti Vibhakti, Ekavachanam of Pandava Shabda, Anikam Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam of Anika Shabda. So the word Pandava and Nika combined together become a compound word, it's called samasa. And the compound word, if you write using the padam, it has to be written like this: Pandavanam Anikam, Pandava Nika. And that Pandava Nika is, since it is a samasa, samasa also is a pratipadikam. The compound also is a pratipadikam. Therefore, it can be declined. When you decline like Pala Shabda. As Pala Shabda is declined, Palam Pale Palani. Similarly, Pandava Nikam, Pandava Nike, Pandava Nikani can decline. That is what then the shloka. Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, Guruji. Thank you.
We will not discuss about samasa now. It is a long way to go, very, very long way. Just know the sandhi only, it's important now. Okay. Now, Jyoti ji.
Yes, Guruji. Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupadaputrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
So you have to start from right to left. Chamum, first line from the right.
Chamum Mahatim no Sandhi Panduputranam
Mahatim plus Chamum sandhi is there. It is Mahatim plus Chamum. Chamum, there is no sandhi. It is Padanta Makara and it is at the end. So therefore, Chamum, nothing is there. But Mahatim, it is Makara. Makara at the end of the word.
Anuswara.
And therefore, Makara will be followed by Makara followed by what? Makara at the end of the Padam. Mahatim is a Padam and followed by the Padam beginning with
A Khar letter.
not Karlata, a consonant. Any consonant. Why Karlata? Consonant.
Hal.
Then the Padanta Makara will become Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Therefore,
Anuswara.
Chamum, Anuswara. So Padanta Makara will become Anuswara when followed by
A consonant.
the Padanta Makara, that condition is important. Okay, so Magatim, Chamu. Sandhi is the Anuswara Sandhi. Then next one, continue.
Panduputranam Acharya. So Panduputranam Acharya is Melanam.
What is Acharya there?
Acharya. It is
Is there any word Acharya? What Sandhi is there between Acharya and Magatim?
Sambodhana.
Is Sambodhana. Hey Acharya, like Hey Rama. So you have to see If Sandhi is not there, see, Sandhi to have Sandhi or for the Sandhi to be there, if the following word begins with the ach, possible. There Sandhi could be possible. Acharyaha, suppose if it is there, or acharye, and followed by the word beginning with a vowel, then Sandhi could be possible, like acharyaha. Acharyaha agachati, suppose if it is there. What Sandhi will be there? Acharyaha plus agachati. What Sandhi?
Acharya.
Hmm? What Sandhi? What is the word? Tell me. Acharyaha plus agachati. What is that?
Visarga preceded by akara.
Akara and followed by
Ah.
other than akara.
So what is the Sandhi? What is the final one?
Acharya
Acharyo
agachati.
gachati.
Acharya agachati.
Or
Acharyo,
acharya.
nothing Acharyo. Acharya.
Yeah, agachati. Yakara become lopa.
Acharya.
Visarga
Optional,
will
so two
become
forms
yes,
will be
yakara,
Lopa.
yakara se lopa bhavati.
Yakara become
Acharya
lopa. Agachati.
agachati. Or acharya agachati, that is also possible. Right?
And also acharya agachati because it's optional.
That's okay. We are doing Sandhi, therefore
Okay.
you have to join. Otherwise, we can leave as it is. Why should we? The Dharmak need not be there, right?
Yeah.
Acharya agachati or acharya gachati. Suppose if it is acharya gachati, what Sandhi would be?
Acharyo gachati.
Acharyo gachati.
Acharyo gachati. If this is the case, if it is acharya, acharyaha, followed by the vowel or followed by the hushed letter, soft consonant, Sandhi could be there. Suppose if it is acharye, pashyam, what Sandhi is that?
A followed by a.
Asking simple thing.
So H followed by H is Ayadi Sandhi.
Tell me what is the form?
A will be replaced by I, Gurti.
I.
A will be replaced by I. What is okay?
Yeah.
Then after that,
No, sorry, Gurti.
Acharya agachati.
This is Purva Rupa Sandhi.
that is what you have to remember.
This is
It is
exception.
Purva Rupa, exception you have to remember.
Yes.
A plus a, H letter followed by H is Ayadi Sandhi. Fine. But immediately the Purva Rupa Sandhi should come to your mind because Acharya is Padam, Padanta Yang letter followed by the Padam beginning with a short
Ashwaka.
vowel. Therefore, it is Purva Rupa Sandhi, not Ayadi Sandhi. Acharya, then Pashyam. Every time Sandhi is fresh, right? Remember, Acharya plus Pashyam, Acharya Pashyam. Now, what I am saying is, if the word is Acharya, then also it is Acharya. The A only is there. Or if it is, suppose if it is Acharya plus Acharya plus, then so I'm just to coin some, but 1 minute, I'll just think. What's it? Something. Okay, I'm just typing something. Acharya Asam, something is that. Okay. Then what do you say? How do you join this? Acharya.
Acharya Yasam.
Shanti. Acharya.
Huh?
Acharyasam.
Acharya.
Acharya Yasam.
Acharya plus Asam. This is one form, or Acharya Asam, that is another form. That you don't, that's okay. This is form, generally you don't see it. This is, so what I'm saying is, if it is Acharya, it can become Acharya. You can see here. Acharye can become Acharya. Similarly, if it is Acharyaha, it can become Acharya. You can see the two possibilities here. Right?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, good.
extend that the same thing here. If it is Acharyaha plus Magatim, then what sandhi it would be?
Acharya.
Acharyaha Magatim becomes?
Acharya. Bhakti.
No. How can it become Acharya Magatim? Think, okay. Acharyaha plus Magatim, what would be? Suppose if it is Acharyaha, I'm asking. What's the answer? Jyotiji.
So it will be Visarga followed by
Visarga
Makara.
followed by soft consonant. What will happen? Hush letter. Not asking a difficult thing.
Acharyo.
Acharyo Magatim it would be.
Yeah.
Jyotiji,
Yes.
some noise is there at your end. I don't know what you are moving. Acharyaha Magatim become Acharyo Magatim. That is not there here. Therefore, there is no Visarga there. There is no Visarga there. There is no Yakara also. Acharya and all is not there. Therefore, it has to be Sambodhana. Right?
Yes.
That's how you have to
Yes, good.
filter out. Therefore, Acharya is Sambodhana. Hey Acharya. If Visarga is there, Yakara is there, that depends on the following letter. The following letter is Makara, is a soft consonant, hush letter. If Visarga is there, it will become Okara. If Yakara is there, Yakara will become Lopaha, but this has to be Acharya. Acharya plus this following letter is consonant, it cannot become I. Therefore, Yakara not possibility not there. Understand? Only
Yes.
followed by H. If it is H followed by H, then only Yakara can come. That is ruled out. All these possibilities you have to rule out and see it as Acharya as Sambodhana. Okay.
Okay.
Then Panduputranam plus Acharya, it is Melana.
Melana.
Pandavasya. Panduputrana, Pandu, you are referring to the Pandu. Or Pandu, not Pandu, Pandoho. Pandoho Putra, Panduputra. Pratipadikam is Panduputra.
Shashti Bahuvachan.
Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Panduputranam. Okay. Anyway, that is Samasa. Just I'm telling, like what we saw before. Pandava Nikam. It's like that. Panduputra. Shashti Vibhakti Panduputranam. Akarantaha Pullingaha Panduputra Shabdaha Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, like Ramanam becomes Panduputranam. Then Pashyaitam. That you do it.
So Pashya Etam. Vriddhi Sandhi.
Pashya plus Etam. Then between Etam and Panduputrana, what's Sandhi?
Anuswara. Makara becomes Anuswara.
Anuswara Sandhi. Then second line.
Yudhi. Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi.
Where are you going?
Bhima
That Dhimata is there. Second line.
Dhimata.
Yudham
Dhimata.
Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhim. That
Dhimata.
line you have to do.
Dhimata.
Dhimata.
So Dhiman is the Pratipadikam. There is no Sandhi.
Dhimat is a Pratipadika. Dhimat.
Dhimat.
Dhimat
So
is a
there is
Pratipadikam. Tritiya
there is no
Vibhakti.
Sandhi here.
No Sandhi. No Sandhi.
So Shishyena Dhimata. Tava
No Sandhi.
Shishyena Dhimata. Again no Sandhi.
No Sandhi.
So actually Vyudham is the only Sandhi.
Yes. What Sandhi? Anuswara Sandhi.
Anuswara Sandhi.
Vyuda Makara becomes Anuswara because followed by a consonant. Drupada Putrena. Dakara. Drupada Putra also like the previous one, Samasa. Drupadasya Putra. Drupada Putra. Tena. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya
Drupada
Ekvachana.
Putrena. Ramena. Drupada Putrena. Iti. Right? So next shloka now.
Guruji, what is Drupada refers to?
Huh?
Drupada refers what? Guruji?
Drupada refers to the person. Drupad.
So yeah, I'm just asking, who is this person?
Who is the person?
Yeah.
Oh, Drupada was the friend of Dronacharya. So his son
Okay.
is Drishtadyumna. It is he who killed Dronacharya. The
Okay.
son of Drupada, who is Drishtadyumna, who only killed Dronacharya. Drupada and Dronacharya were friends in their school days. Then they become staunch enemies. Drupada, insulted Dronacharya. Dronacharya wanted to take revenge on Drupada. That's why he trained all the Pandavas, and as Guru Dakshina, he asked Drupada to be brought arrested. That's all he did. Then Drupada wanted to take revenge on Dronacharya. The story is like that. The Bhagavad is full of revenge. So Drupada took revenge on Dronacharya by begetting the son Drishtadyumna as well as Draupadi. He got them in the yajna, and Drishtadyumna is one who killed Dronacharya.
Like,
Right. Okay. Next one. Next person. Lataji.
Yes, sir. Atra Shura Maheshwasa.
Atra Shura.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayuthi.
Read again.
Atra Shura
Shura.
Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayuthi.
Please read again.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayuthi.
No, that reading is wrong. When you pause there itself, you have to put samasa.
Okay, sir.
Atra Shura Maheshwasaha. Visarga is there.
Okay, sir.
If you're reading word by word, you have to split and then find out the words and only you can read. Atra Shuraha Maheshwasaha Bhimarjuna Samaha. I myself have said what's Visarga, so you know it's easy for you now.
Yes, sir.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa. See, if you are now, see, this is in Anushtup Chandas. Generally, Anushtup Chandas, what we do, the first line, we break into two parts and we pause there. Each line, the first line as well as second line. Second line also, we break that into two parts. Therefore, 4 quarters will be there. So, when you break and pause there, then there is sandhi to be done. Atra Shura Maheshwasaha, you have to say, because there you are pausing. Shuraha is there, but since you are chanting continuously, therefore sandhi has been done. Therefore, Atra Shura Maheshwasaha. But Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayuddhi, like that chanting is wrong, because after pausing, if you don't give Visarga, if you chant as Maheshwasa, it is wrong chanting.
Okay, sir.
That is why sandhi is important even for chanting. Okay. Atra Shura Maheshwasaha Bhimarjuna Samayuddhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharataha. Okay, now you do.
Okay, sir. The first line, last word, Yudhi. So is it a verb? Kriya Padam?
What?
Yudhi?
Yudhi is not a Kriya Padam. Why Yudhi is Kriya Padam?
It's not a
Yudhi
Kriya.
is Yuddhav. In the Yuddha. Yudhi. In this Yuddha Kshetre Yudhi. That is what it is. Yudhi is. Yudhi is not a Kriya Padam. How you take Yudhi as Kriya Padam?
I don't know.
Yudhi means that Yuddhe, Yuddha Kshetre, the Yuddhe, in the fight, they are all assembled in the fight, in the battle, referring to that the battlefield where they have assembled. K. Who are those people? That's what he says.
Okay.
It is not Kriya Padam.
It's a Saptami Vibhakti?
Yes.
Yudhi.
So, what is the Kriya Padam here?
Kriya Padam is not there. So we have to supply
It is the
something.
previous shloka Kriyapadam Pashya.
Etam Pashya. Previous shloka is etam is there. So etam referring to etam Pandaputranam Magatim Chamum Pashya. Vyudam cha Pashya. The Vyuda is the array of armies that has been done by the son of Drupada. And that Drupada is also Shishya of Dronacharya. Dronacharya, that is the greatness of Dronacharya also. He taught even Drupada also. Tava Shishyena Dhimata Drupada Putrena. Even though, because he knows the greatness of Drupada, he was, even though son of Drupada, but he taught them. So Tava Shishyena Drupada Putrena Vyudam, that army which has been arrayed by son of Drupada, you see. Now here, Atra Maheshvasaha, where is the Kriya Padam there in the second shloka for this? Not there. You have to supply.
Not there, you have to supply.
Santi, you have to say.
Okay.
Atra, that is Yudhi. Atra is Saptami. Sorry, the Yudhi is Saptami. Atra also Saptami Arte only. Atra also, here means what? It's a location. All those things we have to see. Karaka, we have to see. Atra is here. Where here in this battlefield, Atra, Yudhi, Santi. Ke Santi, those names are listed here. So Kriya Padam not there, we have to supply.
Santi.
Santi, Bhavanti, you can supply. Or Vartante, I mean all past tense. So we have to say, okay, anyway, even though it's a past tense, but here it's a dialogue. So Santi only. Santi only you have to say. Santi, Bhavanti or Vartante iti. Okay.
Bhimarjuna Samaha Yudhi. Visarga is
Samaha. Yes.
Yudhi.
Samaha.
Yakara, that becomes Lopaha. Bhimarjuna
Padam Lopa
Samaha.
Bhavati.
Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Ash.
Ash letter. Therefore, Yakarasya. Visarga will
become Lopaha.
Yakara, Yakarasya, Lopaha Bhavati. Similarly,
Mageshvasaha Bhima. That's the same rule.
Mageshvasaha plus Bhimarjuna Samaha. Okay, same rule.
Atra Suraha Mageshvasa.
Shuraha, that is.
Shuraha
means valor. Veeraha ityartha. Shura means Veera.
Veera.
Who are they? The names are mentioned below.
Next, sir. Maharataha.
Maharataha Visarga is there. Why? Because Visarga has not undergone any change. Why Visarga is there? Because Avasana.
Avasana.
Maheshvasa is not a Sandhi.
Maheshvasaha, one word. Why is Sandhi there?
So it Mahar Ishvasaha.
That is Samasa, yes. That is Samasa. If you take that Sandhi. Samasa we are not doing now. Okay. What is Samasa itself? We don't know. So how can we join that? That's why Samasa part I am leaving it out. Samasa, Vibhakti, those things are on the language. We have to see. Now we are focusing only on the Sandhi between the two individual Padam. Not within a Padam. Within a Padam, Samasa is there. If that is the case, we have to see many words. For that, what Samasa and all we have to know. So it is not possible now. Maheshvasa itself is it's a Sandhi is there. Yes. Maha, that is Ishvasa is Ishvasa, Maha plus Ishvasa. In fact, it is that is Mahan Ishvasaha Esham Tit Bhaguvarigi Samasa. So Mahan Pratipadikam is Mahat. Magat is a Pratipadikam. And Ishvasa. Magat plus Ishvasa, you will have Magat Ishvasaha. How will you have Maha? All those things we have to discuss. That is why not discussing. It's not out of context now.
Okay.
The Pratipadikam is Magat and Ishvasa. Magat plus Ishvasa. How it will become Mahan? Maheshvasaha. There, Samasa Vidya also is there. Some certain things will happen. Therefore, Maheshvasaha it becomes. That is out of scope now. Okay, please continue.
Yes, sir. Drupataha cha.
Drupadaha plus cha. What's Sandhi?
Sarga Sandhi.
What's Sandhi?
Visarga
Drupadaha. Stutva Sandhi.
Sutva Sandhi.
Not Visarga, because once it has come, followed by what letter you have to see, followed by kar letter. Because it is kar letter, sakara will come. Sakara in contact with the chakara, therefore Chitta Sandhi. Drupadascha.
Pataga cha. The same thing, Virataha cha, Sutta Sandhi.
Yes.
Yudanaha, Virataha. Yudanaha, Visarga Sandhi. Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Ash.
Ash letter. Visarga.
Preceded by
it will become-
Akara and followed by Hash.
We say Visarga will become Mu, but you know what and all, because we just every time you don't have to say. It
Yes,
is
sir.
Ru is replaced
Yeah.
by nothing but Repa, Ru is replaced by you. You don't have to say every time, but you know what it is. I say simply Visarga replaced by you. There is so in some books also given, but we know what it is really. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we don't repeat it every time. We just simply say Visarga is replaced by Ukara. Therefore, then Ukara, then A plus Su Guna will happen. Yudhana.
Whatever. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anuradha ji. Next shloka.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशिराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्ति भोजश्च शैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः. So in the first one, Viryavan, there's no sandhi. Kashirajaha cha.
Padanta Nakara. Nothing will happen.
Yeah, Padanta.
Padanta Makara only will happen.
Yes,
Right?
yes, Sharon.
And but we have seen one rule for I think we have seen Apadanta Nakara Makara. Have you seen that? Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
What is that rule is
It's like
called?
the Savarna of the following yai.
No, not about that. Apadanta Nakara Makara. Anuswara Sandhi number 2.
Oh,
We have
for
seen.
Apadanta.
Huh?
Yes, Sharan. Parasavarna Sandhi 1 and 2. That is the one, right, Sharanji?
What is Anuswara Sandhi number 2? In the chart it is there. You see the chart.
Apadanta nakaraha or makaraha will be replaced by anuswaraha
When?
then followed by jal.
Jal letter. That is Anuswara Sandhi. So this here it is Padanta Nakara. Therefore nothing happens. Right?
Yes, Sharan.
That is Anuswara Sandhi number 2. So when Anuswara is ordained, two conditions, I mean at two places. One is Padanta Makara will become Anuswara. Second one, Apadanta Makara also will become Anuswara. When Padanta Makara will become Anuswara at the end of the Pada. Apadanta Makara will become Anuswara when followed by Jal. Not only Apadanta Makara, Apadanta Nakara also. So if at all Nakara becomes Anuswara, it has to be a Apadanta Nakara. But here it is Padanta Nakara, Viryavan, therefore it doesn't become Anuswara, right?
Yes, Sharan.
Okay.
Kashirajaha cha. So then it becomes Padanta Sakara and then Shutvam happens.
Yes.
Kashirajascha.
So
Then-
Visarga becomes Sakara. Okay. Kashi
Yes.
Raja, Visarga becomes Sakara. When does it become Sakara?
Padanta Sakara. When it is her letter. or
Her letter follows.
Her letter.
Visarga will become Sakara. And that exceptions you have to know. Ka,
Yes.
kha, pa, pa, accepting that.
Yeah.
Then Sakara in contact with the whatever may be the
Chakra.
kar letter, remaining kar letters. Accordingly, Shutva Shtutta will happen. Yes, Chakara is a therefore Shtutta Sandhi.
Shutvam.
The next one is an
Then-
example for that. Yes.
Drishtaketuhu cha Chekitanaha. Then
Drishtaketuhu plus Chekitanaha only. Not Cha Chekitanaha. There is no one more Cha in between.
Okay, sure, we got it.
Drishtaketuhu plus Chekitanaha. Okay.
Yeah. So
Between
for that,
Chekitanaha and Kashi Raja you do, then after that we will see. Chekitanaha and Kashi Raja. What Sandhi?
there is Chekitanaha and Kashi Rajesh. There's no Sandhi here, right? Charanji?
Sandhi is there. Why not?
Chekitanaha.
Chekitanaha, Visarga followed by Kar letter will become will become what?
Will stay as
Will become sakara.
sakara.
But it is, if it is ka ka pa pa, then what will happen? Visarga will be replaced by
Ardha.
either visarga or by ardha visarga.
Visarga.
That is a sandhi. So that's why we say drishta ketusche kitanaha when you are pausing. If you don't pause, continue the next word. Drishta ketusche kitanakha shirajascha viryavan. That is sandhi, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Visarga is there sandhi. Visarga replaced by ardha visarga, optionally, that is also sandhi only. So sandhi is there. If sandhi is not there, then even without sandhi, the form is same only, chekitanaha. But you can say with sandhi, the form is chekitanaha or chekitanah.
Ardha
Right.
visarga. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Sharan. Then
Drishta ketuhu plus chekitana, the same sandhi. Visarga followed by her letter, chekitanaha is chakara. Even
Chakara.
the
So
chakara.
then
Therefore,
then
sakara replaces visarga and shuttam happens.
Shuttam happens.
Next line.
Narapungavaha.
Narapungavaha, here one you can see that anuswara is there.
Yeah. Yes. Nara. So
Narapungavaha. Anuswara followed by a letter. Anuswara followed by a letter.
Parasavarna sandhi.
Parasavarna sandhi.
Parasavarna sandhi. Here pum is can be considered as a padam because it's a samasa, right? It's a samasa. Therefore, narapungavaha can be considered as a padam. Therefore, anuswara becoming parasavarna is optional.
Hmm.
You remember that anuswara sandhi number 1, number 2 are there.
Yes, Sanjay.
What
Yes,
is number 1? What is number 2? Please see the chart. Parasavarna, you said no? Anuswara, parasavarna sandhi.
Yes, Guruji.
Just see that your chart, it is there.
Yeah. When Anuswara sandhi 1, Padanta Makara.
Not anuswara. We are not talking about anuswara. We are talking about parasavarna. Anuswara is different, parasavarna is different.
Yes, anuswara will be replaced by the savarna of the following a.
Savarna the following eye.
Parasavarna sandhi, you see. Anuswara will be replaced by the savarna of the
Following a.
Following eye.
For Padanta Anuswara, it is optional.
Optional.
It's optional.
It's optional.
You can see the screen for the Padanta Anuswara replacement. Here, Pungavaha, Pum can be considered as a Padam. Why it is Padam, we cannot ask now because it is Samasa. So Pum plus Gavaha. Pum plus Gavaha. If you take it as Pum as a Padam, then replacement of the Anuswara by the Parasavarna is optional. So if we don't do it, Pungavaha. If we do it, what will the form? Anuswara will be replaced by?
Fifth letter.
Yeah, the nasal.
Fifth letter.
Pungavaha. So both are possible. So therefore, that's why in some books you will see it as Narapungavaha. That is okay. Similarly, Narapungavaha also, it is fine. Both are okay. Because Pum is a Padam. Pungavaha is a Samasa. Pungavaha is Samasa. Narapungavaha. Nareshu Pungavaha. Narapungavaha. Pungavaha is Pumanscha Asau. Gauscha Pungavaha. Sreshta Purushaha ityartaha. Pungava means Sreshta Purushaha. Among all the Nara, human beings, he is a Sreshta, Uttama. So, Nara is one word, Pum is another word, and Gau is another word. 3 words are there in one word. That's a Samasa. So, Pungavaha alone, if you take, Pum stands for Puman, Manushya, human being. And Gauhu becomes Gavaha. Gau means Sreshtaha. He is a human being and he is a Sreshtaha, Pungavaha. So, this is a Padam. So, Padanta Anuswara. Therefore, it can become Parasavarna optionally. This possibility is here. And Nara is another word, Pratipadikam. This whole thing is a samasa. Nareshu Pungavaha, Nara Pungavaha. Anyway, I'm not getting into samasa now. So note this much. Because in a samasa, the individual Pratipadikam also, it was a padam. Therefore, it can be considered as a padam. And we have this optionality there. More on that, we have to see samasa that is out of context now. Samasa, it's not possible now. Without language, what samasa is. So, ruled out. Okay, next one, continue.
Shaibhyascha. Shaibhyaha cha. It's also the same. The visarga become the padanta sakara and shtutvam happens.
Yes.
Then Purujit Kunti Bojascha. Also, I mean Kunti Bojaha cha. Then it becomes Kunti Bojas cha. Visarga padanta sakara and shtutvam happens. Then
What is Purujit? Between Purujit and Kunti both? No sandhi.
No sandhi. No sandhi.
No sandhi. Purujit plus Kunti Bojaha. Right?
Yeah.
But sandhi is possible. Sandhi has happened really. Purujit Kunti Bojaha cha. Kunti Bojaha, what vibhakti? What is the Pratipadikam?
Kunti Boja.
Like what Shabda?
Rama Shabda.
And what about Purujit?
Like Marut Shabda.
Marut Shabda. What is Marut Shabda? Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Simple. Marut Shabda is important.
Yeah.
Marut Maruto Marutaha. So Purujit is the Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
So
yes.
Marut Shabda is Takarantaha Pullingaha. Similarly, Purujit also Takarantaha Marut Shabda and all we have learned.
Yes, Sharan. Yeah.
It's important Shabda. Don't forget the forms. Marut Maruto Marutaha. So Purujit Purujitau Purujitaha. Oh, Purujit plus, therefore Purujit is what vibhakti?
It is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Then Kunti Bojaha, what? Then if you join this, what sandhi is that?
So, Melam.
Huh?
Yeah, no.
Melanam.
Melanam.
Really? How can you say Melanam? Huh? Purujit is a padam. Okay. Sandhi has happened. After that become Purujit Kunti Bojaha. If you join. Think. Purujit is a padam, and I say that that time itself that you should get what I'm saying.
Oh, Jashtva Sandhi. And then, yeah. It will be Purujid.
Yes.
Then, yeah. Then
Chatva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi.
Yes. Purujit, then after that Chatva Sandhi happens. Not Melana. It looks same like Melana, but it is not. Because Purujit is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it is a Padam. Because it is a Padam, Padanta Jal.
Yes.
Okay, next one, next person. Who is the next person? Nobody is there. Anybody wants to do? All are silent spectators. Nobody wants to do. Unless you do, how will you learn?
Try, sir.
Huh?
I will try, sir.
Have you not typed your name?
Lata.
You have typed your name, right?
No, I had told already. But
Yes. Okay. Let me ask other person. If they are not, then you can do it. Anybody
Okay,
wants to do? Kausalya ji.
Yes, ji.
Do it. What you can do it. Do.
Yuddhamanyascha Vikrantah Uttamaujaschа Viryavan Saubhadro Draupade Sarva Eva Maharathaha.
Yes.
Viryavan.
So Viryavan, like the previous one, Padanta Nakara, no Sandhi.
Yes.
Okay.
Then Uttama Ujascha. Uttama Maujaha.
Yes.
Cha.
Uttamaojaha plus cha.
Shutva Sandhi.
Padanta Saka, that's Uttamaojaha Sakara, that Visarga, followed by per letter becomes Sakara. Sakara is replaced by Shakara. Shutva Sandhi.
Shakara. Shutva Sandhi.
Same as before. Kunti Bhojascha, Shaibhyascha, Drupadascha. So many things came, right? We saw that. Same. Then the next one.
Vikrantaha.
Yes, it is Vikrantaha. Vikranta means is Parakrama. Is valor, valorous. Vikrantaha plus Uttamojascha. If it is Vikranta, then it becomes Sambodhana. Where is Sambodhana here? Here it is not Sambodhana. Here just Duryodhana. He says all these people are there in the army. Therefore, there is no Sambodhana. Already Sambodhana is done. Ehacharya, Hoacharya. That is Sambodhana. All these people are there. Therefore, Vikrantaha. Right? It has to be Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. It cannot be Sambodhana. Then if it is Vikrantaha, how that Visraga has gone, that is Sandhi. Please tell.
Visarga preceded by Akara,
Hmm.
followed by Ash.
Therefore, what will happen?
It will be replaced by Ukara.
Not Ukara. If it is Ukara, Vikram,
Sorry,
Vikranto,
Yakara.
Yakara. Yes.
Yakara. And then it becomes Lopaha.
Yes, become Lopaha. Vikrantaha. Okay, continue. Next one.
Yuddhamanyuscha. So Yuddhamanyuhu plus cha. Shutva Sandhi has happened.
Yes. First is Sakara Adesha, then Shutva Sandhi. Visargasya sthane Sakara
Replaced.
Adesha, then Shutva Sandhi.
Replaced by Shakara.
Okay. Next line.
Then Maharathaha. Avasana. So Visarga remains.
Okay.
Then Eva Maharathaha. There's no Sandhi.
No Sandhi. Next one.
Sarva Eva. That also no Sandhi.
No Sandhi. What is Sarva? How do you decline Sarva Shabda? Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarve.
So like Rama Shabda.
Not like Rama Shabda. No. Sir, it is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Sarva Shabdaha, Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarve. Now you tell me here Sarva is it has to be either Sarvaha or Sarvau or Sarve. What Vachanam it can be?
Ekavachanam.
Why Ekavachanam? Maharataha, what Vachanam?
Bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam.
Maharataha, many Maharatis are there. Therefore, Sarve, it must be Bhagavachanam. If it is Bhagavachanam, Sarva Shabda declension I told already, Pratama Vibhakti. If you don't know, please see the Shabda Manjari book. You see Sarvanama Shabda, you will see this Shabda. Sarvaga, Sarvav, Sarve. So, therefore, what is the word here?
Sarve.
Sarve. Because Sarvaha is Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Since this cannot be Ekavachanam, because Maharataha is there, Bhagavachanam. Therefore, this has to be Bhagavachanam, and the form is Sarve is there. Now, Sarve plus Eva. Sandhi is there or not?
Sarve plus Eva.
Sandhi is there or not?
It's a.
Yeah, this one.
What Sandhi? A plus A. Simple.
I survive.
Ayadi Sandhi. H letter followed by H letter. Ayadi Sandhi. Therefore, A will become I. Then that Yakarasya
Lopaha.
Lopaha.
bhavati. Therefore, Sarva eva. Okay. Continue.
Okay. Draupadeyascha. So Draupadeyaha plus cha.
Okay. That has seen before. Same thing, only that. Next one. Continue.
Saubhadro. So Saubhadraha
Hmm.
plus Draupadeyascha. So
Saubhadraha. What's Sandhi?
Visarga preceded by Akara followed by Harsh letter. So it becomes Ukara and then Gunasandhi happens.
Yes. Saubhadro. Okay. Please go through the Sandhi classes again. Please work on this.
Yes, good.
Next one. Next person. Rajaji, do it.
Guruji, there's a lot of disturbance here.
It's okay. I can manage this one. You do it.
Yeah. अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तानि बोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीते.
Yes, do it.
So we have to start from the
First line.
first line. The last one, there is no sandhi.
What is that word? Vijottama.
Dvijottama.
What word it should? It is a padam or not, first of all? Is it a padam? Yes or no?
Don't know. Dvijot.
It has to be a padam, right? Otherwise, how can you use in the language? Huh?
Okay.
Can you use any pratipadikam in the language? We have never seen any pratipadikam used in the language as such.
Okay.
Pratipadikam
It has
cannot
to
be
be
used.
either a padam or a samas.
Huh?
It has to be a padam or a samas.
Samasa also has to be a padam. Samasa also has to be a padam only. After doing samasa, you have to decline that word, right? How can you use the undeclined form? Not possible. Don't worry about samasa. Samasa, you can drop it. It has to be a padam or not? Yes. That which is not a padam cannot be used in the language. Only padam alone can be used. Samasa is joining the two words and becomes one word. It's a pratipadikam and it's declinable. It is declined and then it is used in the language. Yet Dvijottama is also a samasa only. Dvija plus Uttama, Dvijottama. Dvija plus Uttama. What samasa? What sandhi is that?
This is guna sandhi.
Then Dvija plus Uttama becomes Dvijottama, one word, and that is declined, and the declension form is given here. What is that Dvijottama now? What vibhakti, what vachana? Simple question.
Vijay.
You will answer. Rajaji will answer. Others, hold on.
So Vijay is like a Rama Shabda.
Don't do it. Split it individually and do it. Dvijottama has become one word. It has after it has become one word. You cannot do split and decline. After you joined, it has become one word now. That is the difference between samasa and sandhi. Sandhi always the words remain separate only. Dvijottama is one word. The sandhi has happened, it has become one word. Now you decline that. The word ends with what letter?
Makara.
Not makara.
Sorry, akara.
Therefore, akaranta shabda, simple. How do you decline akaranta shabda? Rama Shabda, you don't know?
That is Makara, no, Guruji? Oh,
Rama
yeah,
is-
sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, from, yeah,
How
sorry.
can it be? Huh?
Okay,
Or what
Dwijottama.
sound it
Okay,
ends
yeah,
with, you have to
Rama.
see.
Yeah, Rama.
Rama is Akaranta Shabda.
Okay,
Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha.
yeah.
Then similarly, Dvijottama Shabda. How do you, when you decline, where is Dvijottama?
No, you want to decline Dwijottama or?
You decline Dvijottama and find out where is Dvijottama. What Vibhakti, what Vachana.
So this will be Sambodhana.
That's it. That's what I'm asking. It is Sambodhana. A Dvijottama. Duryodhana addressing Dronacharya as Dvijottama. Dvijottama means Brahmana. Dvija is twice born. He has born twice. First is physical birth. Second birth is by the Upanayana becomes a, that is another birth. So two Janma, twice born. Dvijanam Uttama, Brahmananam Uttama. So Dvijottama, Sambodhana, Hey Dvijottama, Hey Dronacharya. That's what it is. Okay, continue.
So the previous word, Tani Bodha.
Tan Nibodha. Nibodha is a Kriya Padam. Nischayena Bodha. Ni Bodha. Tan Nibodha. Bodha is may you know. That's the meaning. Okay. So there is no Sandhi.
Correct.
Don't think there's Sandhi between the two words. No Sandhi. You know. May you know. Tan, them. Who are those people already mentioned in the previous shloka? Shaibyasya, Narapungalaha, all those things, all those people. Okay, continue.
So this is he's addressing Draupada only.
Dronacharya. Duryodhana addressing
Other.
Dronacharya.
Okay. So he's okay. He's a Brahmin. That's what. So Vishishta.
Ye and Tan. I think many of in this class they attend Gita class, right? In the Gita class we discuss all these things and then told the story also in the beginning. Please attend or watch the video that Gita Moolam class, not Bhashyam. Bhashyam you won't be able to understand, but at least Moolam class you understand, you know the context, you know the shloka. If not, at least listen to the recording or whatever may be the source available, anything.
Yes. So Yetan.
Ye tan, separate word. Yaha yo, ye, already we have seen. Yak shabda. Yaha yo, ye, pratama vivakti, bhagavachanam. Ye tan nibodha. Okay, that is leave it. No sandhi there. Then what is the next word? Preceding word.
Vishishta.
Sandhi is there or not?
Here also no Sandhi.
Ye is what vachanam?
Ye is Dviyachanam.
Dvivachanam.
This is Yat Shabda, right?
Yat shabda. Decline yat shabda.
Ya, ye, ya.
It's not Srilinga. Okay. Yet,
Okay,
where is
sorry.
Srilinga here?
Okay.
Why you took it as Srilinga?
Okay, sorry. Yeah, it's not.
So what linga is that?
So, ye is okay. This is Bahuvachanam.
Bhagavachanam.
Yahu.
Yaha yo, ye. I myself said yaha yo, ye. Ye is Bhagavachanam. Therefore, Visishta, those distinguished. That's the meaning. Visishtaha. It has to be Bhagavachanam only.
Okay.
It is Bhagavachanam Visishtaha. If it is Bhagavachanam, what is the Pratipadikam? Pratipadikam of Visishtaha.
This is Vishishta.
Not Visishtaha.
Vishishta.
Now Visishtaha and ye. What's Sandhi?
This is Visarga preceded by Aap, followed by Hash.
What's Sandhi then?
Visarga Sandhi.
No, tell me what happened. Visarga Sandhi naming is
Yeah, this is so this is Visarga preceded by A followed by Hash. So Visarga will be replaced by Yakara, but Yakara will become Lopa because
That's it.
followed
That's
by
what
Hash.
it is.
So,
Visishta. So when you pause there, you have to say Visishta. Asmakam tu Visishtaha. You have to say, you are pausing. Sandhi Vicheda, done, and then you say Visishta. Asmakam tu Visishta. Anyway, we don't pause there because then the meter is not complete. Asmakam tu Visishta. Tan Nibodat Dvijottama. So we pause after ye only. Anyway, it's okay. But when you split the word, it is Visishtaha ye. Ye Visishtaha tan niboda. Those which are those who are distinguished for your knowledge. May you know that. Hey Dujottama, hey Acharya, tan niboda. May you know them. Okay, the next word.
so Asmakam tu here the Makara has become Anuswara.
Anuswara Sandhi. Okay, second line.
Nayaka Mama.
No, start from the end. Start from the end.
Yeah. So Te. So
Te is what vibhakti, what vachanam?
is again Bahuvachanam.
It has to be Bhagavachanam. Ye te. That's how ye is that, te is that. Ye visishtaha te. Te mama nayakaha. Right? That's how ye te. Those are, they are. That's a connection. Okay. Tan bravimi is what is Sandhi is that?
There is no
The
Sandhi.
Sandhi or not?
No Sandhi Guruji.
What is Tan? Shabda knowledge is important. Shabda jnanam is important. All these things, simple shabdas, only I ask you to memorize. Remember, at least have them
Yeah, Guruji.
with you. Sagatam te, tam tau.
Guruji, I've been just focusing only on Sandhi. I need to practice the
Please do it.
Shabdas. Sorry, next class I will do.
Sagatau te, tam tau tan. Tan is Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Tan bravimi. So tan is Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Te is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam of Tat Shabda. Okay, then next word, preceding word is
Samnyartam. So here also it's Sam plus Nyartam. Can you
okay. Sam plus Jnatam is Sam is also, it's a prefix. It's a prefix. It's a padam only that becomes Padantamakara become Anuswara.
becomes
That's a
Anuswara.
Samnyartam. And Samnyartam and Tan Sandhi is there.
So that is also Anuswara.
Anuswara Sandhi.
Nyartam.
Okay. Then continue.
Then Sainyasthya. So
Sainya
this-
nothing is there. Sainya is a Shabda, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam, Sainya. So you should be able to see the connection. Ramasya, Sainyasya.
huh.
The connection you have to see. You can see the connection.
Correct. Shashti Vibhakti.
Then Mama Sainyasya.
Mama Sainyasya. So
Then what is the next word?
Nayaka.
Sandhi is there or not?
Nayaka. No, Guruji.
Nayaka is Akar on the Srilinga Shabda then. Nayaka means leaders or heroes. How many heroes are there? How many leaders are there in the army of Duryodhana? Only one is there.
Okay.
No.
So
Not
this
okay.
will be
Asking
Srilinga,
you.
Guruji.
Huh?
You said it's Srilinga, Guruji. So
I'm not saying Srilinga. you said Nayaka, that's why I'm asking you. I didn't say it is Srilinga.
So Nayaka here refers to the Duryodhana.
How can Nayaka, Duryodhana himself is talking, how can he himself refers to as Nayaka? If it is Srilinga, the word is Naika, not Nayaka.
Okay.
If it
Or
is
it refers to Bhishma.
No. I said leaders, I said. You didn't hear what I'm saying. Nayakaha, leaders, heroes.
Okay.
It's referring to so many people. Mama Sainyasya Nayakaha, the heroes of our army. So it is Nayak. Nayaka is a Shabda. If it's Srilinga, it has to be Nayika. Balaka become Balika. Chalaka, Chalika. Gayaka, Gayika. Nayaka, Nayika. Srilinga is Nayika. Here Nayika is not. How can be Ekavachanam Srilinga? Therefore, it has to be. I'm giving you a hint to find out what the word is. What's
So this will be
what is
Bahu.
missing? Not missing. So what Sandhi has happened, but you can from that you can make out what is that. What is the word now?
Is it Nayaka?
Nayaka is a word. Nayaka akarantaha pullingaha Nayaka shabdaha. When you decline, what is the word? Bhagavachanam. Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam.
Nayaka.
That's what it is there. Understand?
Got it. So then, okay, Visarga will become okay.
Visarga. Oh, it has
Kara.
become lopa. That is what you are doing now.
Yeah,
How Visarga becomes as
preceded
lopa.
by R followed by Hash, so it will become Lopa.
Lopa. You have to see this as Nayaka. It's okay. Language knowledge, very little is there. It's okay. But I'm helping you by saying, removing all the wrong things, narrowing them the possibility. Then you have to pick up what the word is immediately, right? If it is Srilinga, it's a Nayika. So therefore, it cannot be Srilinga.
Correct.
It has to be Pullinga. If it is Pullinga, then where is the word Nayaka? Not there. Is there any word Rama in Pullinga? No. Ramaha only is there. There is no word Rama, right? It is Dirgha. Therefore, it has to be Ramaha. If it is Ramaha, it has to be Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Ramaha, Rama, Rama. You have to think like that. All of you. Please think in that way. Then only the language will develop. Otherwise, we'll remain only at the level of the Sandhi. And same thing I have to repeat again and again. Okay. Do you watch the previous classes? I don't know how many of you really watch and take notes and work on the Sandhi, the language. Okay.
Yes.
Last one, next person.
Thank you, Guruji.
Guruji, what is the
Yes.
meaning of brivimi?
Huh?
Brivimi? What's the meaning, Guruji?
Bravimi.
Bravimi?
I tell. Agam vadami. Bravimi. Huh?
Sanyartham?
Sanyartham. Sanyartham for your information,
Okay.
for your knowledge.
Nibodha also the same thing, Guruji?
Nibodha also same meaning. Bodha is knowledge.
Okay.
Sanyartham is not a Kriyapadam. Okay. Sanyartham not a Kriyapadam. Sanyartham for your clear knowledge. Samyak jnanartham sanyartham. For your clear understanding. That's why I said for your knowledge, I said. For your clear knowledge. There it is not a Kriyapadam. For your knowledge, Tan Brevimi, I name them. Tan Brevimi is going to name them. Who are they? Next shloka. Next person, one person. Time is not over, only one person can do. Nalini ji, try. Nalini ji, are you there? Yes, you are there. Nalini ji, you can unmute your mic. Or anybody else who wants to do, please do it. Who wants to do it? Hello, can you hear me?
Can I try, sir?
Yes, please do. Everybody is silent. I don't know for whom I am teaching.
Sorry.
Huh?
Yes. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha
Yes.
Krupascha Samitinjayah Ashwasthama Vikarnascha Somadattistatthaivacha Samitinjayah. Sorry.
Okay. If you're not well, it's okay. Leave
Sorry, I'm not feeling well. Sorry.
it. Okay, we'll stop here. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.